Something is broken inside. So here's another quick unboxing video of this Sony A7R V, but with essential setups such as putting on the screen protector to then go out and shoot right away. Cable protector. I hope this is satisfying to watch. Hope you stay around. Startup guide, reference guide, warranty papers, and some paperwork. Power cord cable for battery charger. Shoulder strap emphasizing what you have. Battery charger with battery indicator. This go with that. Rechargeable battery NPFZ 100. USB Type-C male to USB Type-A male. And what's left is the main attraction, the camera body, the Sony A7R V. Very nice, similar to my old Sony A7 IV. Definitely you want to test the unique 4-axis tilting and side opening LCD monitor. Here axis number 1. Axis number 2. Axis number 3. Where is number 4, you ask? Later in the video. Overall, I am impressed with this LCD monitor. And I will put on the screen protector in a moment. The camera strap rings are dampened. No more jingle bells. Right dial, left dial. Lock release button on the mode dial. Front dial. Lock release button for the still, movie, and S and Q dial. Battery cover. Cover for USB Type-C and multi micro ports. Cover for headphone jack. Cover for microphone jack. Cover that opens down for full HDMI and flash sync ports. Now you're about to see me put on the screen protector. I just got this off eBay and it comes with just one glass. However, I feel like I'm an expert on this. I have done it on all my Sony cameras and all on my iPhones and Androids. I clean it with wet wipe first, always. Sometimes I use this brand instead. Clean it thoroughly with fingerprints and dust. Then I dry clean with dry wipe. If I use air blower, I may not have to use the dust absorber. I often face down the screen protector to measure how I would attach it and see how it would align beforehand, like practicing it. Note, always face down the side with the plastic film that you will be removing. Again, see how it would align before attaching it. Remove the film and attach it with one end pressed down, first like this, then to the other end. Just be patient and steady. Check the edges and see how the glass align. Check, double check. Be satisfied. Once ready, press it. One end to the other. Take a look. Just how I want it. And here is access number 4. If I examine it, there's plenty of room for the glass. For those who are curious. Again, the last access number 4. I love you, my baby, my baby. This is a versatile fast aperture zoom lens, a zoom range on a new full frame Sony A7R V, everything from 35mm considerably wide angle focal length to some medium wide to 150mm telephoto focal length at an aperture of 2 to 2.8, which is ridiculously great. I also have the magnetic quick swap system, freewheel magnetic quick swap system. Now the battery, I am anxious to get outside already. Just setting up this quickly. And everyone want their auto power off temp set to high. Oh, of course, no card. So I have these two CFexpress Type A cards, Delkin brand. I did a video on this up here, but it's at the end of that video. I believe those who have this camera or will be buying this camera or the camera is on its way will likely watch a video like this, right? But I'm glad you have made it this far. Thank you for that. Interesting note here, when inserting, the CFexpress cards must face you, while the SD cards must face away from you. Interesting. There it goes, I got something to work with. Anyway, this is a long video, and I just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you come back.